Hello guys, welcome to Proto Media, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to cancel all your subscriptions on your iPhone. So those times when you just install a new app, so they have a trial period, but then eventually you forget about the app and then forget to cancel the subscription, and then eventually you get charged, which is really annoying. So I'm going to show you guys how to cancel those. First of all, you need to go to settings on your iPhone, and then on top where you see your name, you click on that and you go to subscriptions. You click on that. It might take some time. There we go. So in this page here, you can see your active subscriptions. In this case here, I have 2 active subscriptions. So all you need to do to cancel those is click on the subscriptions itself. So click on this and then click on cancel free trial and confirm, and that should be canceled now. So if you go back, you can see that I now have an expired subscription, and to cancel the other one, same thing, cancel free trial and confirm. And that's it, guys. All you need to do is to do this for every subscription you want to cancel, and you should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.